project number 53, that is Moon Phase Viewer. So here these are instructions they have given us. So here we have to create an app. Designing will be like this, and this is Moon Phase Viewer app. This is day cycle, and today we will not work on code.pen. Today we will work on Thunkable. So here this is Moon Phase Viewer, this is day cycle, this is text input, this is button, click to see the moon phase. And here if we will click, hint will be enter day. If here we will type 1 day cycle 1, if we will type, so 1 day cycle moon image it will come here. If I will type 2, it will come here day cycle 2 moon image. So we will check what is the coding. So here we will click. See, I will show you here. First of all, we have taken, this is screen. I have given ID as main. Whatever you want, you can give it. Then we have taken a row. Here you can see fit content is there, height. Then we have taken a label 3. Text is Moon Phase Viewer. Font size is 24. Then background color is light green. Then we have taken day cycle. Okay, we have taken day cycle. Here we have given text as day cycle. Then we have taken a text input ID is text day. Hint is enter day. Text will be 0. Okay. Keyboard type will be numeric. Now we have taken a row. Inside row we have taken a button. Text is click to see the moon phase. Okay. Here I will show you. See. Click to see the moon phase. This is button. Okay. Now we have taken an image. Last one. This is last processor. We have taken an image. Height is 300. Width is 300. Now we will go for blocks. Blocks is not too much. I will show. See, only this much is there. When moon button will click, I will show you this button, moon button. When this button click, moon button, set web API. Here we have taken alert 1, timer 1, web API 1. Okay. So here set web API's URL to join. Then we have taken, we will go on text, we will take this first block and here we will attach it. And then here it is, we have taken round second since 1970. Then we have taken call web API get with outputs, response, status, error. How much we want we can take. See, and is not there. Okay. Then do. Then it is written here. It is written here. Then do set image 1's picture to image 1. This is web API. Here you can see, and this is image 1. And see here. Alert 1, timer, web API, alert, and these are files. In Thunkable, whatever we will upload, image or anything we will upload, it will show here also. In files it will written here. So here we have taken the images till 30. Okay. Then see, set image 1 picture to join text days text. Text day, here this text input 1, text days text dot png. No number will come like 1.png, 2.png, only .png will come. Okay. Now I will live test it, then it will help it to understand more. I will show. See, it will look like this. Moon phase viewer, day cycle, text input. This is button. Click to see the moon phase. Here I will type day cycle 1. Now see day cycle 1. Now I will type 2 day cycle. I will type 3. I will type 4. I will type 5. Now 6. Now 7. Now 8. Now 9. Now 10. Now 11. Then 12. Then 13. Then 14. 15. Now see, it is reversing. If we will put day cycle is till 14. Now if we will
It's 4:30.
now if we will put 16, 17, 18, it will reverse it. Okay? I will show 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, then 30. Yes. In this way we have taken 30 PNGs. Okay. Now here our project is done. That is not too much, and also designing part is also given here. If we will click on start project, designing part is given, and for more help it is project template is also given. So designing part is already given. If we want, then we can design by our own. Okay, so here this was our project. So I will meet you in project number 54. So bye bye guys.